Hi, my name is Momtaz U. I have been a database developer and VBA developer since 2005 and a web developer since 2020. I am showing you a large-scale Excel VBA project. There are around 60 macros under 35 modules. The macros pick data from 42 sheets and autofill 12 Word documents with around 300 pages with merge fields. Let me show you the document template and the output document. This is the Word template with merge fields. This is the output document already auto-filled with data. This is the end of the document. Thanks for watching this video.